Hello, here I am here to talk about how KD and Lonzo Ball combined for 129 points and still lost his fucking game. When I was playing this game, sorry there's no audio from my end. I forgot to plug in my mic. And also I was listening to K-pop while I was playing this. So, I have that would be a lot of copyright and I don't feel like going through that, so you have to hear my voice during this entire thing. Um we was trying to really win this game. It was a very hard win. Now, if you see some whites go in, I did do these sliders myself, and I was like kind of having fun. You see the ankle breaker right there by my nigga Lonzo B ball, nigga, banger green. Right now we are just doing the highlights of the game right now. This game did go to double OT, and my thoughts about it, about losing this game was very rough. Losing this game was very terrible because right after this, KD retired. So we signed into a 4-year or $253 million deal at the age of 37 and lost in the Eastern Conference Finals of Game 1. So this is a very kind of tough loss for this for the Chicago Bulls rebuild. What I did learn about this is that team construction and team building is going to be very difficult for this team going forward with this squad. Um, this squad, we are very young. We are promised in the shooting guard to point guard position. No, I wouldn't say point guard position. In the free agency, we're gonna have to really dig deep into what we think about with this squad of ours. Losing also, we also did lose this series here against the Magic. We did get swept. Well, we didn't get swept. We won one game, so we won. It was 4-1 with KD and Lonzo on the squad. We couldn't really be able to get KD back to the squad because he retired. Lonzo, he was asking for 35 million. We couldn't really fit that into the cap, so we had to really focus on really the point guard position, the point guard small forward position this off season. That's our main focus going into the season. But the thing is about this is we really have to focus on our depth. Our bench is pretty bad right now. We lost one of our key guys in the playoffs. The injury bug was very bad in this playoff run. About 5 of our people has gotten hurt. We entered the playoffs with our star defensive player, Barry. He was hurt during this season. We really couldn't do much about that one at all. So we came into this playoffs, we can't really with a chip on our shoulder. KD had to come in, he has to win a chip and take this team to a whole nother level. But he did come in against the Wizard series, dropping, a lot of points. He dropped back-to-back 60-point plus games. Lonzo, he did his thing. Calvin Howard, the one thing that we do need to focus on with Calvin Howard coming into this season is his stamina. His stamina is a main focus point about this team. He can barely stay out for the amount of minutes I put him on for. But we really gonna have to focus up on this team. This draft class is very weak. We can't really focus on the point guard position. What Lonzo brought to this team was defense. And that's the one thing we needed bad was defense on this team, which we did do good in the defensive side, front of the ball. With KD and Lonzo coming out, and Lonzo also being an MVP caliber player this season.